Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule email in Outlook. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. Log in using your Microsoft account, and once you're in your inbox, you're ready to compose and schedule. Now let's write your email and pick the perfect time for it, 2%. Click the new email button in the top left corner of the screen, and in the email window just go ahead and fill in the two fields. There's the recipient, the subject line, and of course the message body with your content. You can also attach files or add formatting if needed, just like any normal email. So once you're done, just look at the send button and so let's just go ahead and compose something. So just look at the send button. Okay, so that I haven't sent any message yet. Let's say you have added your to, who would this be for, and subject line you. Oh my god, just leave that. Now something. So head over to the top where you have send and click on the drop down menu, and now you have schedule send. So click on schedule send from the menu. The scheduling pop-up will appear. You can choose one of the suggested times or click custom time below to pick a specific date and time. Now once selected, just go ahead and just click send, and that's it. Your email will now be stored in the drafts scheduled folder and sent automatically at the exact time that you sent. So you can also double check or cancel it, no problem, that's in your hands. Alright, so if you want to view or cancel scheduled emails, here's a bonus tip. In the left hand menu, just scroll down and click on scheduled. So here you see all emails pending delivery. To cancel or edit, just click the email, just cancel send it to move back to drafts where you can edit and reschedule or send manually. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you, sir.